Hey everyone, I'm Crazy Steve. Today, I've got a small selection from LEGO Animal Crossing, polybag number 30662, Maple's Pumpkin Garden. Including a minifigure and a creative build in a small garden, this one has got a lot to go over. Looking through the back, we get a peep at the pieces and that minifigure looks great. Why don't we take a closer look? Dumping them out now, you'll see all 29 pieces. Nothing here is exclusive to the set except the minifigure, but if one thing we're gonna be exclusive, I'm glad it's the minifigure. Getting into the minifigure, I think what LEGO did for these Animal Crossing minifigures is great. As a casual fan of the game, I think they captured the spirit of the characters really well, which normal minifigure molds I feel would not. The nature-themed jumper corresponds with Maple's attire in New Horizons, including a tree on the front. The white hands are also appropriate, but I am surprised by the use of short legs. Building the model is much like any other simple build you would find in a polybag. I would even argue that it is simpler than most due to the small piece count. While one of the most simple builds I've done to date, it was still enjoyable to put together. It took me about under 3 minutes to put it together, and every step felt like a huge leap in progress due to it being mainly larger pieces. I could honestly see this one doing really well with a younger audience because of the set simplicity. Sometimes being simpler isn't always a bad thing. Showing you the completed model, it does come out really nice. The garden does look great and matches the style of the bigger Animal Crossing sets using the larger 6x6 rounded plates developed for the Super Mario range. All in all, I think even though it was such a simple build, it displays and plays just as well as any other polybag. Pick it up if you get the chance. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, just consider leaving it a like. If you've seen any of my other videos, tell me how you liked this one compared to those. Is the editing getting better? How does my voice sound? All feedback is listened to and appreciated. If you want, sub to the channel for more LEGO reviews, builds, all things brick related, and until next time, people, stay crazy.